Hello everyone, this is land-based architecture. You must have had the struggle on where to find the best free texture for your architecture rendering. Today I'm going to show you the best 6 websites to get free textures and materials. So let's get started. To begin with, I want to introduce you guys our new website. This is a platform for landscape architecture and urban design students. You can not only find our tutorials here, but also inspirations from other students' work and the resources you have to know. In the inspiration channel, you can find tons of amazing students' work. You can also see the details of the project by click the image on the site. Then it will direct you to the source of the image. So, besides learning from others, you can also promote your projects here. By clicking the image, you can see the details of the drawing and the description of them. So do not hesitate to share your work here with students from all over the world. Okay, let's get started to see where to get the free textures. To get free textures and other useful resources, let's go to the resources page. And I have listed the 8 websites for the free textures. Now let's check out the first one. This website is one of my favorites because here you can create and edit seamless textures, maps, and CAD hatches with their generators. They have textures for brick, concrete, metal, etc. But they don't have textures for plants and grasses. Let's go to their generator app to customize a texture. They have so many options for brick patterns and colors. And you can also customize the size and density of the texture, and also the tiles and the saturation of the textures, etc. Here's a detail I really like. You can not only change the brick pattern, but also the size and color of the edges. After generating the pattern you like, you can download it in JPEG format for free. So let's check out number 2, textureheaven.com. Texture Heaven is a site for free high-quality PBR textures. They have textures in many categories: bricks, concrete, fabric, floor, metals, etc. They also offer 6 formats to download for free. Then let's check out number 3, textures.com. Textures.com not only just provide textures for 3D and 2D files, but also plans, objects, furniture, and high-resolution aerial photos. In their forest section, there are many options for the aerial photos. These are very useful for the master plan renderings. You can also find the city skylines and the skies for the perspective renderings. Let's check out number 4, texturify.com. The website is a new resource of free selection of high-resolution LDR spherical environments, panoramas, textures, and background. And I personally really like that they have a nature section, which includes hedges, trees, and grasses. Let's go to number 5, texture.com. Texture.com is a creative resource for 3D artists, designers, animators, and providing a comprehensive selection of high-resolution textures. Last one is cc0texture.com. cc0 Texture offers a library containing hundreds of detailed PBR materials that you can download for free up to 8K resolution. And that's it for today, everyone. If you want to see where to find a free cut of people and trees, please check out this video. The video link is also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.